press-on eyelashes, no glue required, and up to 24 hours of hold. This is the under lash application, and it's supposed to have a lash extensions look. It's by the brand Kiss. And I picked up the voluminous style. You open this up, you have the Falsies applicator, and then you have the eyelash clusters right here. So it has a pre-bond technology, and it's also patent pending with a self-stick adhesive technology. Yes, we are gonna see how long it lasts for 24 hours. So it says hold cluster from middle outer end to avoid touching the band area, and then just use your clean fingers to remove the cluster gently. There you go. Alrighty. And then use this. And again, we're going underneath. I need a mirror to get up close. Okay, there we go. Squeeze clusters and natural lashes together with the applicator. Simple enough. Trying to get as close as possible. Whoa, that's very natural. Would you look at that? I'm gonna take another long one, the one towards the bottom. Do you see that right there? You see that like clear white crusty thing? That's glue on the other side. Okay, I took them both off and removed the glue with just my pair of tweezers because it just was not looking good. Oh. There you go. Just like you can't blink, you know? Making sure they're attached. Wow, that's actually really, really pretty. And I'm gonna take one more from the top row. Make sure to remove the adhesive from underneath. It's like stuck to the actual eyelash. All right, last one. I think this was the easiest one right here.
Now that you figured it out?
Yeah. It's also the shortest one, you know? Wow, look at that. That's impressive. And then when you look down, you can't see the band, there's no glue. And when you look up, you can see a little bit of the clustering or the clusters, but it's actually really, really impressive. Hence the name, Impress. Yes. I am impressed. And I'm gonna go back in and just hold for like a couple of seconds and just keep squeezing. Let's apply the other side. Hopefully I can do it faster this time. Again, just use your clean fingers. So I'm doing 2 of the longer clusters and then 1 of the shorter. This one is like perfect. It has no glue on the underside. I feel like this one's a little bit lower. We'll see. I might need to fix that. Oh man. Okay. A little better. Yeah. I have to reapply these. This one looks much better. This one I did a little too far back.
How many times can you reapply these?
I'm not sure.
Multi-use or not?
It doesn't say that you can reapply these multiple times. I think this is just the one-time use for 24 hours. Oh my goodness. These are a little bit finicky. I think definitely practice involved before I'm gonna get really comfortable with them. I think that looks a little better. And then one more. Oh my goodness. It's a little harder than I thought. Okay, let's try it this way. Don't fall off. Okay, I think we got it. Woo, that one made me sweat. Okay, finally got it. Ooh, this left eye. Give me a run for my money. So as the name suggests, I'm impressed. I like these press-on falsies. The only thing I will say that was really kind of annoying was the adhesive or the glue on the back end of the falsies that are not touching your lashes, that are attached to the packaging. I ruined 2 lashes when I was taking the glue off, because if you don't, I was showing you guys, it literally is just sitting right there and looks really weird and gross. When you blink, you kind of can feel it on your lower or your lash line. But all in all, I think the application is gonna get better with time, better with practice, as with everything in life. One thing I forgot to mention was the other negative, the actual applicator itself. When it closes, there's pretty big gap where the falsies kept falling out. You guys saw my struggle where I would hold it and then they would just kind of slide out of the applicator. So the gap is kind of annoying and you can't push it any further. It's pretty big. This is my other applicator. This is from Velour Lashes and it's really tight. And when I apply falsies with this eyelash applicator, they don't slide out. So I think in the future I'm going to use this one instead of the Kiss because the gap is way too large. But overall, for the first impression, again, I'm impressed. It's in the name. They thought this through. I like how natural the lashes look. They're not intense. They're not extremely black and pigmented. They don't look really fake. They remind me of the false lash extensions that I used to do back in Florida. We'll see how well this lasts for the next 24 hours. I'm excited. This is what we're looking like a couple hours later. You can feel them, but they're not uncomfortable where like my eyes are itching, my eyes are watering. They're not making my eyes feel sensitive. It kind of feels like you have mascara on your lashes, but then I'm like, oh wait, I don't. So that's kind of cool. I think they look really nice. The right eye still looks better in my opinion. This one, I just did not want to work with me, my left eye, but that's okay. But I think they look really pretty. Very, very, very natural. All right, this is what the lashes look like at the end of the day. I'm gonna go wash off my makeup, put my skincare on, and we'll see what the lashes look like after washing my face off. Let's go. I'm doing a double cleanse today. I usually do double cleanse at the end of the night, starting with like a cleansing balm. All right, still on. Obviously I didn't scrub my eyelashes since I'm not wearing makeup on my eyelashes, besides the falsies. But all right, we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. And I did fall asleep a little bit on the couch. I feel like I can feel a little bit right here, right there on the outer lashes, on the right eye. But other than that, not uncomfortable. Very shocked that they're this comfortable. This is what we're looking like next morning with the press-on lashes still there. Pretty impressive. I already washed my face and get ready for the day. And yeah, all I have to say is I'm impressed. I don't know how many times I've said that word in this video, but I really am impressed. The only thing, like I was telling you, the application's a little fussy. You have to get used to it, but I'm pretty impressed that I was able to sleep with them and they look this good. They didn't budge whatsoever. I like that they're individual clusters so you can kind of stack them or, you know, place them wherever you want. I'm gonna keep them on for the day and then take them off at the end of the night. This is my makeup of the day, 24 hours later with the eyelashes, and they still look so good. I am gonna take them off tonight, but we'll see the removal process. I did want to include in this video also. I'm excited. We have made it more than 24 hours. We are almost at the end of the second night and the lashes are honestly still on. They're holding on. I feel like if I slept tonight, they're still gonna be on, but I need to take them off tonight because I'm filming a new video tomorrow and I need my lashes. But look at that, like they haven't budged. And I will say, on the second day, I'm a lot more used to the sensation, even though from the beginning they're not even uncomfortable. Like you barely feel them. It just kind of feels like you wear mascara. But on the second day, you kind of forget that they're even on. And my sister Lena today was looking at me. She's like, are you wearing a new mascara? Like what is with your lashes? They look so natural, but so long and full and fluffy and fluttery. Yes. Very impressed. Like I just love that you can't see anything. Like look at that, you can't see anything, and just the voluminous style is so wispy and so fluttery and just the perfect length. Like they're long, but they're not obnoxiously long. So again, very happy and very impressed with these Kiss Voluminous Impress Press-On Falsies. I think if you're looking for something like this, you will really enjoy them. So removal process, they just say, just start with the band and just kind of lift off your lashes like so. And just very gently take them off. Like don't pull, but there you go. That's one. I'm just kind of using my nail to go to kind of like the band part and just very gently kind of just pick at them. That's the second one right there. And then we have the third. So the kids playing. I don't know if you can hear them. And that's the third lash. Feels great. And none of my lashes came off because they're very gentle. That's so cool. But all right, I'm gonna leave it here. Thank you for watching and joining me with the Press-On Falsies. This was so much fun. I'm gonna be honest, I was hopeful, but you know, sometimes some things are too good to be true. This was not one of them. This was really good. This was really great. I am very happy. I'm gonna have to pick up like a lot more packs just to be stocked up because that was phenomenal. The lashes worked. They stayed on my eyes. They didn't budge throughout the night, and I wasn't like carefully sleeping. I just slept normal. I just didn't take a shower with my lashes. That was the one thing. I definitely want to test again. But again, these are not kind of like those lashes that last days upon days. So very happy. I'll see you guys in the next one very soon.